You're about to do something so powerful, so unbelievably effective, that your specific person will have no choice but to come back to you within 1 hour. Sounds crazy? Just wait. By the time you finish watching this, you'll know exactly how to shift your energy and magnetically pull them back into your life. No chasing, no begging, just pure attraction. And if you think this won't work for you, that's exactly why you need to keep watching. Here's the truth. The reason your specific person hasn't come back yet isn't because they don't care. It's because of the energy you're putting out. Right now, you might be sending signals of desperation, sadness, or frustration. And whether you realize it or not, they're picking up on that energy and pulling away. Think about it. Have you ever been around someone who was anxious, needy, or overly attached? It feels heavy, doesn't it? That energy creates resistance. And right now, if you're feeling desperate, hurt, or focused on their absence, you're unintentionally pushing them further away. But here's the good news. The second you flip this switch, everything changes. They'll start thinking about you, feeling drawn to you, feeling like they need to reach out to you. And this happens fast. Step 1. Shift your emotional state. Think about your specific person right now. What feelings come up? If it's anxiety, sadness, or longing, that's exactly what you're manifesting more of. Your energy is like a magnet. It doesn't just attract people, it attracts experiences, emotions, and responses. So, if your energy is rooted in loss, regret, or fear, guess what? You're pulling in more of those same emotions from them. They feel that energy, even if they're miles away. But here's where everything shifts. Close your eyes and picture this. They're already back. They're texting you, calling you, telling you how much they miss you. How does that feel? Relief, excitement, confidence? Hold on to that feeling. Let it spread through your entire body. Right now, in this very moment, you are stepping into a new version of yourself. A version that doesn't wait, doesn't doubt, and doesn't cling. You are embodying the version of you that already has them back. This is not pretending. This is not wishful thinking. This is shifting your reality by shifting your state. The mistake most people make is thinking they need to see proof before they believe. But that's backward. You have to believe first. You have to feel it first. Because once your energy changes, the world around you has no choice but to respond. Now, take a deep breath. Feel that confidence, that knowing, that certainty that they are coming back. And let every single ounce of desperation, worry, and doubt completely disappear. Because from this moment on, you are no longer chasing, you are no longer waiting, you are attracting. And attraction, it works instantly. Just watch. The moment you shift your emotional state, you'll notice something strange. You'll get a random thought about them, a sudden sign. Maybe a song that reminds you of them plays out of nowhere. Maybe you see their name. That's not a coincidence. That's your energy aligning. And the more you hold on to this state, the stronger it becomes. Your specific person will feel this shift. They won't know why, but they'll start thinking about you out of nowhere, missing you, wondering what's changed, wondering why they suddenly feel pulled toward you again. And that's when the message comes, the call, the moment you've been waiting for, not because you chased, not because you begged, but because you became the version of yourself that they can't resist. Hold on to that energy, because this is just the beginning. Step 2. The thought transmission technique. Here's where things get really interesting. Thoughts have energy, and when you focus your thoughts in the right way, your specific person will feel it, even if they're miles away. You don't need to call them. You don't need to send a message. You don't even need to be in the same place. The energy you transmit is enough to create a shift. And this technique, It's been used for centuries. People who understand how energy works have been using it to bring their desires into reality effortlessly. And now you're going to do the same. Do this. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Turn off your phone, close the door, and make sure you're in a comfortable position. You want to be fully relaxed, completely present in this moment. Now, close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. Feel your body loosen up. Release any tension. Your mind is calm, open, and ready. Now, bring up the image of your specific person in your mind. Picture them standing right in front of you. Imagine every detail, their face, their hair, the way they smile. Look into their eyes, really see them, feel their presence. It should feel as if they are right there with you. The more vivid this image is, the stronger the connection will be. Now, in your mind, say these words, "You miss me." You can't stop thinking about me. You feel an overwhelming urge to reach out. Say it slowly, clearly, with absolute certainty. Imagine that these words are not just words, they are powerful energy waves moving directly from you to them. Every word carries a vibration, a frequency, and they are receiving it. Repeat it again. You miss me. You can't stop thinking about me. You feel an overwhelming urge to reach out. This time, don't just say it. Feel it. Imagine them reacting to it. Picture them sitting alone, suddenly thinking about you. Feeling an unexpected pull toward you. Wondering why they can't get you out of their head. Maybe they're looking at their phone, debating whether to send that text. Maybe they're replaying memories of you, feeling a deep need to see you again. The stronger your emotion, the stronger the energy you send. And the stronger the energy, the faster the response. Trust this process. Trust that the connection is being made. Your thoughts are like a radio signal, and your specific person is tuning in. Whether they realize it or not, they're receiving the message. And soon, they will act on it. Step 3. Detach and let go. This is the part that most people get wrong. After you've sent the message, you have to let go. The moment you start waiting, doubting, or checking your phone every 5 minutes, you create resistance. And resistance blocks the manifestation. Instead, act as if it's already done. You wouldn't constantly refresh your phone if you already knew the text was coming. You wouldn't question whether they're thinking about you if you truly believed they were. That's the mindset you need to have. So after you finish the thought transmission, shift your focus. Go about your day as if nothing happened. Do something that makes you feel good. Watch a movie, go for a walk, listen to music. The key is to occupy yourself with something that keeps your energy high. Because when you fully trust the process, you remove resistance, and that's when they show up, often in ways you'd never expect. Try this exactly as I explained, and then come back to this video and tell me what happened. Share your experience in the comments. And if you want more techniques that actually work, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more to share. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.